This stunning 1969 Camaro Z28 has recently undergone a comprehensive frame-off restoration to concourse-level standards. This classic muscle car combines vintage charm with performance built with genuine GM parts. Stamping pictures are shown in the photo gallery. The body is finished in garnet red with black stripes and the interior is trimmed in ivory vinyl. The DZ-suffix 302 cubic inch V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission and a Positraction differential make up the drivetrain. The engine has an aluminum intake manifold with Winters markings as well as a 4-barrel carburetor, fin valve covers, and dual exhaust. Features include front and rear spoilers and chrome bumpers with rear guards. The 15-inch rally wheels are mounted with reproduction E70-15 Goodyear wide tread GT tires with raised white letters. The car is equipped with power steering, power-assisted front discs, and rear drums that handle the braking. The cabin features front bucket seats and a rear bench upholstered in ivory vinyl, along with a black dash pad and carpeting. The 2-spoke steering wheel frames a 120-mile-per-hour speedometer and a fuel level gauge. Interior appointments include a Delco AM/FM radio, a chrome shifter, and black lap belts. This 1969 Camaro Z28 is an authentic example that showcases all its original features. Decoding the Fisher body tag reveals the following information. Build date of 01C means the 3rd week of January. The style of 69 12437 denotes a 1969 Camaro Coupe. The body code of NOR 226387 indicates the Norwood, Ohio assembly plant and the body number. The trim number of 727 means ivory standard trim. The paint code of 52 is garnet red. And code X33 denotes the style trim group with Z28 special performance equipment. This 1969 Camaro Z28 both looks and drives exceptionally well. If you're looking to enhance your collection or want a show car for weekend enjoyment, this one is worth considering. For more information, contact LRA today at 215-781-3790. That's 215-781-3790. Or email us at sales@lrasales.com. That's sales@lrasales.com.